Okay, today we're going to be expanding brackets in algebra, which is a bit harder than what we've been doing in previous lessons. So I'm going to use the tiles, that's why it's got modelling using algebraic tiles, like I did for the last video, so hopefully it makes more sense to you. So you'll see here that we have x minus 2 in brackets. So that means we have 3 groups of x minus 2. So let's do that with some tiles. So they'll pop up in just a sec. So sticking with my colour scheme that I've used in the past, green is x and -1 for these little red ones. So you'll see here that I have x minus 2. So I need 3 groups of that. So I need 3 times this group here. So I need to repeat that 2 more times. So I have 3 groups. So there you go. There's group 1, group 2, and group 3. So I have 3 groups of x take 2. Notice I haven't added the 4 yet. So can you see that this isn't outside the bracket, not directly outside the bracket? It's something that we do after. We do this over here first, and then this is what we do after we've dealt with all that. So let's deal with the 3x minus 2 first. How much have I got all together? 3 times x. So I've got 3x. I have 3x, and how many takeaway ones have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I actually have -6. Okay, but now I have to add the 4. So I'll grab some tiles to represent what that looks like. So you'll see that I've put 4 blocks to represent +1, +1, +1, and +1. So that actually adds up to +4. So we'll just get rid of the number 4. Because what we can then do is group the negative ones and the positive ones together. Because remember, +1 take 1 equals 0. So let's group those together. I'll bring it across. That plus that equals 0. Wow, that would look confusing. Okay, here we go again. We'll grab u. That plus that equals 0. That plus that equals 0, and that plus that equals 0. So you see they all cross out. That equals 0, equals 0, equals 0, equals 0. So what have I got left? I actually have 3x minus 2. So that's what's left. But again, that's not necessarily what we write in our book, so we'll write it over here, 3x minus 2 plus 4. So this is exactly what I want you to do in your book. I want you to grab a red pen and go 3 times x. So that's what you're saying in your head. You're saying 3 times x in your head, and you get 3x. Then I want you to grab a red pen again and go 3 times 2. That's what you're saying in your head. 3 times 2 is 6. A positive times a negative gives you a negative. Oh my Lord, that's bit done. Now I have to add the 4. So once you've done that, I want you to collect like terms. So there's no like terms with that, is there? But there's a +4 and a -6. So if you get stuck, remember, do your number lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So what I want you to do, this is 3x, that's fine. Start at -6, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Okay, so I'm starting here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my Lord, I'm at -2. Okay, I hope that has helped you.